the Lifubide Y1000. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at an air purifier by Lifubide, model Y1000. I'll go over specs, features, and then demonstrate the product. So let's take a look. So you saw how big the box is for the air purifier. Opening it up, looks like you have the user manual here, the power cord, and removing the styrofoam, you have the air purifier. So it's packaged nicely in here. So let me unwrap it and then we'll go from there. Just to go over some specs. This is made for large rooms and can cover up to 4,500 square feet. Can clean a 900 square feet room in 12 minutes, 2,200 in 30 minutes, and 4,500 in 60 minutes. It uses 2 HEPA 13 filters and can filter out bacteria, viruses, dander, pet hair, formaldehyde, smoke, dust, allergens, pollen, and mold. And here is a look at the clean air delivery rates for smoke, dust, and VOCs. It has a gross weight of 17 kilograms and it also has wheels for easy placement. It has app integration and I'll go over that shortly. Filters can last up to 6,000 hours or 1 year and they cost $99. Okay, I've removed a lot of the packaging. So taking a look at the air purifier, it is pretty tall. On the front here you have the display, and then on the 2 sides you have the filters, and then you have the sensors on the side here, along with the QR code for the company link and the app install. And then on the bottom you have the port for the plug. And it does have some wheels, so you can definitely move this around. So taking a look at the front, you can see the grill here for the airflow, nice and large. And you have the button controls on the edge. You have the power button, speed settings, auto mode, sleep, toggle the LED light on and off, and the lockout feature. All these are accessible via the app, and once downloaded and connected, you can see the air quality, toggle the modes, speed, disable the LED lights, and create a schedule. So to access the filters, just pull on the sides here. You can see the pre-filters, and you want to remove the packaging before you turn it on. Just slides right in there. You want to do it on the other side as well. The filters are 3 layers. It has a pre-filter, the H13 HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. Now looking at the dimensions, comes in at about 28 inches in height and roughly about 13.5 by 14. The front display is nice and large, and this will give you a look at the overall air quality, provide you Wi-Fi connection status, and have the reminder for the filter replacement. Now just to get an idea of the airflow here, this is on the lowest setting, level 1. Level 2. Level 3. You can hear it now picking up a little bit more. Level 4. And level 5. Yeah, definitely picking up here with level 5. Now I have a decibel meter here just to measure the sound. We'll start off with level 1. This is on the level 1 setting. Level 2. Level 3 now. Level 4. And level 5.
The air purifier was easy to set up. It is a bit on the larger end, but it's capable of covering large spaces up to 4,500 square feet. During my testing, you can definitely notice the air is much cleaner after running it for a few hours. The sensors worked well and I noticed them change when cooking in the house, and it was able to pick up the odors. On level 5, it's about 75 decibels. You can definitely use the lower settings and you won't even notice it in the background. I like the app integration. It's easy to use and it gives you good insight on the air quality, along with the scheduling feature, which is handy to have. Filter replacement cost is in line with many of the air purifiers in this range. It can last up to a year depending on usage. Overall, I found this to be a powerful air purifier. It can be used in multiple settings up to 4,500 square feet. This should be on your list if you're looking for a larger size air purifier. So that is my review of the Lifubide Y1000 air purifier. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.